10 people were taken to the hospital today after a suspected gas leak on the city's south side.
The incident happened on Dorchester Place. That's just off New Circle Road near Reynolds Road. Dejiana Wilson explains what happened and shares what people can do to minimize the chances of a gas leak, especially in the winter months.
Around 2:30 Thursday afternoon, emergency services were called to a construction site.
Transported 2 patients initially via ambulance, and then we ended up calling in our mobile ambulance bus, which can transport multiple people at once.
8 others were transported that way. Officials say they responded to a carbon monoxide leak on the site. A sign at the entrance says is Wellington Park Apartments. Wellington's dog park is right next to the building.
Carbon monoxide is a byproduct of combustion. It is colorless, it is odorless, it's a tasteless gas.
Lexington Fire Battalion Chief Derek Roberts says there's several home appliances that can produce carbon monoxide.
A kerosene heater, you can have a gas-powered HVAC system, you can have a gas-powered water heater. All of those things are usually vented outside your home, and each of those things can produce carbon monoxide when they're not working properly.
And says in the winter months is more likely to have home heating related illnesses that come from the gas.
That's why we recommend, if you have any kind of gas appliance in your home, we want you to have a working carbon monoxide detector in your home.
Now, the same sign at the entrance says the construction and design team companies are Calhoun Construction Services, Prime AE, and Necto Architecture. Officials say fortunately, all 10 patients are expected to make a full recovery. After the building is ventilated, the construction project should be able to resume. In Lexington, Dejiana Wilson, Fox 56 News.